Hi everyone, this is Smruti Bhushan, Assistant Consultant for CBR. Currently, I am here at Chakaambo village of Ganjam district where our agri management service is going on. Basically, we are working with 600 farmers in agriculture sector by the help of Views organization. So today I am lucky to stand with a women farmer whose name is Susila Dalai. So, भलो अछंती भलो अछंती
हाँ भल अच्छा
मु आज आसली आपन सहित किछि कथा हेबी किछि जिंस जानिया पे अच्छा I asked her why and when you start your agriculture farming, and she is telling that basically she belongs to a poor tribal community where she had to face a lots of challenges like nutritional challenges, emotional challenges, financial challenges. Even sometimes she has to depend on forest for their daily livelihood. So as she had some agricultural land, she thought to start her own farming. From then to till now, she is doing the agriculture farming. माँ मते आपण एबे कहतु आपण तो आगुरु अच्छा so I asked her how do you practice agriculture in before and what is your experience working with Views. She is telling that before joining with Views she had zero scientific knowledge on agriculture, zero knowledge on organic farming. Basically we can say she has nothing, she has no knowledge on agriculture. That's why she only followed traditional agricultural practices. But after some time, when the Views came and by the support of Views official, she got to know what is the organic farming and what is sustainable farming. From then to till now, she is doing the farming by the organic process. मते आपण कहतु जो Views आपन को आसिकी बारंबार बहुत जिनस सिखेला कौन कौन सब नुआ जिनस सिखेला
मांडिया रोइलो झाड़ी रा
So I asked her, what are the new things that you learned from Views and what are the different types of vegetables that you crop right now? And she is telling that from Views, she got to know different things like what is the difference between the traditional farming and organic farming. She came to know what is the benefit of SRI and LT in the agricultural sector, how to manage pests, how to disease control, how to make kitchen garden. So these are the things that she learned from the Views organization. And right now she is doing different types of vegetables like okra and brinjal, tomatoes, bitter gourd, etc. माँ मते आपण एबे कहंतु ए जो परिया पत्र आपण चाष बास करत
पैसा थिले हमर घरे इत्यादि खर्च अछि घरे खर्च न थाई
अच्छा अच्छा So I asked her where did you sell your vegetables and what did you do in your income. She is telling that basically she sold her vegetables in the nearest market, weekly haट, and sometimes some buyers are also coming to her home for buying the vegetables. And whatever the profit she has got, she mostly spend her income towards the education, health, and keep some money in the bank for the future investment. And she is also telling that she bought a mobile with a rupees of 16,000 for her daughter's education, and it is a great achievement for Susila. माँ मते आपण एबे कहंतु आपण एते दिन हला चाष बास करूचंदी
बढ़िया पर हमते इच्छा होची.
So I asked her, do you have any socio-economic changes in your life after doing the agriculture practices? She is telling that yes, absolutely, because by the help of agriculture she is economically stable now, so that she can easily afford education to her children, and she can also contribute towards the household expenses. Even she is socially well recognized now because she is a well established farmer. She is also giving or also providing some knowledge regarding the agriculture to different farmers. That is why she is telling that she is very much happy after doing the agriculture practices. और माँ मते बर्तमान आपण कहंतु चाष बास को नहीं कि आपनकर भविष्यतर योजना कोन
चाष बास को नहीं कि भविष्यतर योजना बेले आमे ए बरस एतिके जगार करिछु आउ टिके आगु को आमे बढ़िया पई चाहिछ आमे आउ टिके.
So I asked her what is her future plan, and she is telling that she wants to expand her agriculture farming in a commercial way so that her income will be doubled, her productivity will be doubled, and she is also expecting some assistance from organization so that she can start a new business in the village also. और बर्तमान माँ मते आपण कहले हमर जो एग्री मैनेजमेंट सर्विस ए प्रोग्राम चली आपण हेते
करूचो आपन को हम धन्यवाद जनाउ.
So I asked her, are you happy with our AMS program? And she is telling that she is extremely happy and obliged to be associated with AMS activities, and also thanking to Sivia and Views for the wonderful support to change her social status. Ma'am Roili, namaskar.
आपको नमस्कार
नमस्कार,
संस्कार को धन्यवाद
Namaskar, namaskar.
नमस्कार
So lastly, I am also thankful to Views and Sivia for your enormous support and help to bring a remarkable changes among the tribal community. Thank you very much and namaskar.